Hi friends, today I got my Crossbeat Ignite S4 smartwatch. I have pre-ordered this smartwatch from Crossbeat official website. So currently there is 1000 rupees discount going on the official website, and this watch is only available on Crossbeat website as of now. So I'll share the link in the description. So before we start with the unboxing, please welcome to my channel and this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. So I hope you all are safe and healthy. So before we start with the unboxing, let's look at the box. So here if you see, they are given the S4 badging, and if you look at the back side, then they are given QR code to download the compatible app. Then it supports Android and iOS. So I ordered this smartwatch which is black color, and these are some key features they have mentioned on the box. So it is 1.3D curved display, then Bluetooth voice calling. So you can answer your phone calls, or even you can dial your calls from the smartwatch itself. Then it is come with split screen display. Then you get dual straps. So this smartwatch will get two straps inside. It has blood glucose monitor as well. Then it comes with preset 18 watch faces. Then customizable widgets are there. It has multi-sport training. You can share the location. Then it is voice assistant enabled. It has triple theme display and health monitor. Okay, so let's look inside what is there. So I'll just remove this cover. So it has laminated cover on the top of the box. So I'll just remove this, and then we'll see what is inside the box. So this is very nice packaging. So I'll just open this box. So this is hello namaste greeting card, which has warranty. So this watch comes with 1 year warranty, and you have to register this warranty within 10 days of purchase. Okay. Then this is a quick start guide, so you can just follow this, and quickly you can set up your watch. Okay, so this is actual watch, so I'll just keep it here. So this is silicone strap, and then it comes with another strap that is nylon strap. So this is also very nice. This is magnetic charger. So this comes with user manual as well, so you can quickly refer this user manual for how to set up and what other features are available in this watch. Okay, so we'll talk about that later. So let's look at the watch first. So I'll just remove this cover. So this is very good quality. Wow. So this is a rectangle shape, so you can see, and the crown is here. Then here these are the sensors. So yeah, it comes with Crossbeat Ignite smartphone wearable IPS 67 water resistance. So let's start this watch. I'll just set up this watch, and then we'll see what are the features are available in this watch. Okay friends, so now we'll see how to install the straps. Okay, and it's very simple process. So what you have to do is you have to take this side of the strap, and there is a gap on the watch. So you have to just slide inside this gap and fix it like this. Okay, and same way you can just remove it just by sliding outwards. Okay, and you can fix like this as well. Okay, so you can take another strap and you can just fix it the same way. Okay, then this watch comes with USB magnetic charger cable. Okay, and you can connect this cable to your USB charger, or you can connect to your laptop as well. Okay, and just make sure that whatever adapter you are going to use, that should be 5-volt charger. Okay, 5-volt charger adapter, and you should not connect to any fast charging adapter. Okay, and you have to just make sure that there are two connectors here, and this is magnetic pin. You have to just keep like this. Okay, and you have to connect this cable to your USB charging adapter. Okay, so this way you can easily connect. Now we'll see how to connect this watch to your phone through Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so this watch provides two options to connect to your watch. Okay, so one Bluetooth connection is CB-S4. Okay, and then there is another connection, that is Ignite S4. Okay, so what are all notifications, alerts, reminder and data received from the phone to watch or vice versa will be connected to Ignite S4. Okay, and for calls it will be CB-S4. This watch comes with 18 built-in watch faces. So to change the watch faces, simply rotate this crown key just like this, and whatever watch faces you want to keep, just select this using this crown key, and can just press this key, or you can just tap on the screen. Okay, so this way you can select the watch faces. So I'll just show you once again. Rotate the key and just again rotate to navigate to the whatever watch faces you like, and then just tap on the screen. Okay, this watch comes with split screen display. So you have to just swipe from the left to the right, and this small screen appears on the screen. Okay, this shows you current time, then date and the day. Okay, and there is an option to scan the QR code. So once you select this, you'll be able this QR code is to connect your watch to the mobile. Okay, then there is SOS icon. If you click this, it will make call to the SOS setting what you have mentioned in the SOS option. Okay, so there will be always one active mobile number which you can set for SOS. Then there is a section that is called commonly used application. Okay, so or recently used application. So whatever applications you use recently, it will be available here. So you can just click on that and you can see those applications. Slide from top to bottom like this, then there are few toggle buttons which will appear. So very first toggle button is for Bluetooth calling. If this button is enabled, it means it is connected to your phone, and you will be able to answer the phone calls from your mobile itself. Okay, and then next button is for voice assistance, where it will use your mobile's voice assistance feature. Okay, and you can give the commands if you want, like what is weather, you can ask the questions and it will answer you through the phone speaker. Okay, and then next button is for location sharing, where you can share the location with your friends, okay, and family. Then this is a payment option. Then this is a setting button where you can set up your phone smartwatch. Okay, and then this one is for business card sharing. So you can share your WhatsApp or Facebook contacts with your friends just by displaying a QR code. But before that, you have to set up that in your application. Then if you scroll from right to left, then there are few more toggle buttons. So very first button is for the lock the screen, then notifications, and then always on display. if you swipe from bottom to top, then you'll be able to see all the notifications, okay, which are coming from your mobile. So right now I have this WhatsApp notifications, you can easily see, and you can delete these notifications, only notifications, okay. So you can read messages as well, and then come back again. If you want, you can delete all these messages. Okay, now we'll see how to access the applications in this watch, and what are the applications are available. So this is cron key. If you press this key, then you will be able to see what are the applications are there. Okay, so now if you start from very first application, so this is brightness, where you can control brightness of your smartwatch. Okay, so if you want more battery life, then you can decrease this and increase this. Okay, so like this. This is bright screen duration, where how much time the screen will be bright. Okay, so current setting is for 10 minutes for me. um, then we have this do not disturb option, where you can set up do not disturb. Means if you don't want to receive notifications from phone, then you can set up this. Okay, then we have switch off button. Okay, if you click this, it will be switched off. And yeah, and then we have reboot option, where you can reboot your watch. Okay, so then we have this few applications. These applications you have to first install in your mobile application, then only it will work. Okay, so you and me, where you can share the location with your friends. Let's say you're doing some activity, okay, exercise, means outdoor exercise, then you can share your location with your friends and family. Okay, then blood sugar monitor. So please note that this is just the data display option here. Okay, it won't actually take the readings for the blood sugar. So whatever readings you will mention in your application, it will just display here, and you can get the update from your watch itself. Then breath rate is also there. So again, you have to install this app in your mobile. Okay, then if you see, there are a few more applications. Then this is your blood pressure application. So it will monitor your blood pressure as well. Then we already saw this voice assistance. Okay, so if you use this feature, it is connected to your mobile, and it will use your mobile's voice assistance application. Okay, then there are two sports modes available, indoor and outdoor. So if you click on that, then there are few, you can see how many outdoor games are available here. Okay, and then you have indoor games as well, so you can set according to your activity. Okay, then we have camera control, where you can take photos from your mobile, from your watch. Okay, and it will take photo in your mobile. Then we have these applications, where you can have stopwatch. Okay, then you have this countdown application. Then you have calculator. Okay, then calling feature, where you have many options. You can see the recent call history, then your contact list, and then dial pad as well. Okay, so from mobile itself you can dial any number. Okay, and even from your contact also, you will be able to dial the number from your smartphone itself. Okay, so these are calling options. Then you have this application, where it collects data, such as how many steps, okay, step count, then duration, and the calories burned. So along with this, you can see all the details here with the graphs and all. And same thing, it will be available in your mobile as well. And then apart from that, it is having oxygen level, so you can monitor oxygen level in this watch. Okay, it comes with the sensor as well. uh, so yeah, this is all about the applications which are there. And then there is again weather option. Weather application is there, where it will show you the weather of your current location. Okay, Then yeah, so that's it. Then you can control music as well from your application, from your smartphone itself. Okay, yeah, so that's it. Let's check out the application. Once you buy this watch, then you have to install Wear Fit Pro app in your mobile. Okay, and I already set up this app. So before using this application, you have to configure. You have to register first, and then only you will be able to use this app. Okay, and once your app is set up, then you will be able to connect your mobile through this app. So now I already done that. Okay, so these are you and me future, right? So where you can share the location information and health data with your friends or maybe with your family members. Okay, then it shows the steps count. Okay, how much calories burned and the distance. Okay, so there are a few applications which is calculating all your taking data from your watch. Okay, so this is blood pressure application. So where you can, and you even you can set if you want to take reading every 1 hour, you can set in application. So this watch will take data, take reading of your blood pressure or oxygen, then heart rate. So every 1 hour it will take reading. Okay, so so blood pressure is there, then you can see oxygen level, SpO2, then heart rate is there, then you can have your sleep data. Okay, and then this is weight. So this is application where you can set up your weight. Okay, watch don't calculate that. Okay, so you have to just set up this when you set up your application. Okay, then fatigue, then you have effective activity. Okay, so it shows MET data. Then it has blood glucose reference value, right? Again, this watch doesn't calculate or take reading. Okay, you have to manually come here and enter the data for your blood sugar. Okay, then it has a respiratory rate. Okay, and so that's it. These are the applications it is having. And if you want to refresh data, so just slide from top to bottom. Okay, so now it is reading data from my watch. Then this is device setting. Okay, so I already connected to Ignite S4. Okay, and it will show you the details of your battery as well. Okay, then this is some health data. Then these are a few watch faces where you can buy. Okay, so by default it comes with 18 watch faces, and there is wallet option, so you can set up this. But again, there is one toggle button. From there also you can set up that. Okay, so once you set up this, you will be able to make the payment. Then this is where weather report, then business card. Again, if you set up this, you can share your business card with your friends and business partners easily from your watch itself. Then this is notifications option, where if you enable this, you will be able to receive notifications from your phone to application. So you can just toggle this. Means if you don't want, then you will just set up like this. Okay, if you want Gmail notification, you can get it, then Facebook notifications. Okay, so right now I have set up for phone, SMS, Telegram and WhatsApp. Okay, then yeah, there is firmware update. If you want to upgrade your watch, you can go here and do it. Then this is for factory reset, and if you want to delete this setup or this device, right, disconnect from. Okay friends, this is all about the watch. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like button. I'll provide the link in the description where you can buy this watch. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.